Hello, welcome back. We will continue our session on Ahar. Today we will discuss about water intake. So as we have almost finished our food, so there are many misconceptions and scientific conceptions about water consumption. So first thing, as Ayurveda propagates 5 Mahabhuts theory, Pancha Mahabhutas. So Prithvi, Aap, Tej, Vayu, Akash. So Aap is Jala Mahabhut, means water. So many people consider to drink water during food. Is it right or is it wrong? So our acharyas have mentioned Ajrane bheshajam vari, jirne vari balapradam, bhojanach amrutam vari, bhojanante vishapradam. When food is not digested, if you drink water that time, that is like medicine. Jirne vari balapradam. When food is digested and if you drink water, that increase your strength. Third, bhojanech amrutam vari. If you drink water sip by sip, which is boiled and cool water or boiled and lukewarm water, along with food, it is like amrut. But bhojanante vishapradam. If you drink water after your food is finished, then it is like poison. So clear. So one can drink water, but the quantity of water to be drunk is 1/4 of your whole stomach capacity. 1/2 should be filled with solid food, 1/4 should be filled with watery. That water includes dal or lentil soup or any sabji, rasa or sabji soup and plain water. And remaining 1/4 part you should keep it for gas, movement of gas. So this allows the food mixed nicely and get digested properly. So in our system, Jala is very instrumental in understanding the taste of food. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, Raso aham apsu kaunteya. Means whatever taste you could experience, that is due to apsu, means due to Jala Mahabhut. So Jala is the medium by which you understand the exact taste of the food. And that Jala Mahabhut is not only water we see, that Jala Mahabhut is present in different proportion in every atom, every part of the food and other things, whatever are tasteable, the things which we taste. Rasyate aswadyate rasanena iti rasaha, means by which we experience the taste. The organ is called as tongue, and the tongue, when that tongue is devoid of water, means tongue doesn't have water. Without water, tongue cannot understand the taste of the things. So we see when dehydration is there, actually one cannot speak while we are talking. We need that water in the form of saliva. So proper water inside our body is very important. Outside we see almost 60 to 65% water is there in ecosystem. Same way, almost 1/3, 2/3 of the body is filled with water. So this water, generally some people, some scientists and some doctors, they advise one should drink 5 liters of water daily. So, but Ayurveda has little different stand on this. Ayurveda expects the quantity of any consumption, water consumption, food consumption, which is very subjective. If the individual person is a Pitta Prakriti or fire dominant person, if he is water dominant person or air dominant person, naturally the quantity of water required to fire dominant person is more than all of 3. So this person, if fire dominant person stays in Suppose Rajasthan in India, when he stays in Rajasthan, he is fire dominant person and he stays in summer season. Then the quantity required for that person of water would be almost more than 5 to 6 to 8 liters also. But if that same person in rainy season, he stays in Mumbai and he's there, so he may require only 1.5 to 2 liters. So the quantity of water depends upon the season, the age of person, the nature of person and which area he is living. If he is staying in America, if he is staying in India or whether he is staying in Himalaya. So how to decide the proper quantity of water for individual? It's very easy. There are only 2 points one has to keep in mind. First is, because we are live individual. Because dead things, they doesn't have emotions. They don't have emotions. But as we are live, we have soul inside. We have emotions. So we feel thirst, we feel hunger. When you feel thirsty, that time you should drink water in sitting position. The water should be boiled cool water and it should be drunk in such a way, slowly. In Marathi we call it as pani khave and jevan pyave. Means we should eat water and drink the food. Chew the food in such a way that it becomes liquid and you should eat the water means you should slowly drink the water. There is also satisfaction about water in our body. So whenever there is thirst, that time one should drink water. Second, he should drink that much water so that his urine becomes clear. Because nothing in our body goes without digestion. Like pipe, in dead pipe we put water from this side, it automatically comes, almost all the quantity of water comes out of that pipe. But in our body there is a digestive system, we call it as Agni. So it should be processed with the Agni. So this Agni gives you feeling of thirst and that time you should give the water to your body. Because if we know that in rainy season there are many mosquitoes are there, many different organisms are there, krumi, worms, many things are there which takes place or which grows in water. Water is very good medium for these organisms to grow. So unnecessary water in our body also causes many diseases. Many unwanted bacteria, viruses can grow on this medium where water is unnecessary. So one should remember, he should feel thirsty and he should have clear urine. If you have clear urine, there is no chance of having stones. This is very important and this is very subjective. So you have to find out your own quantity of water. Thank you.